So right off the bat, what do most people do? They see a parking stall, they want to get in there as quickly as possible, and they kind of nose their vehicle into it. That can work, especially if you have a really small vehicle with a short wheelbase. But if it's a tight parking stall, if it's a tight parking lot, I'm telling you, backing in is going to be a lot better no matter what vehicle you have. First thing you want to do is, as you pass the stall, you're looking out your window, you're looking at the stall, you're looking for a few things. You're looking to make sure that stall is wide enough for your vehicle to get into. You are looking to make sure there's nothing in that stall that could puncture a tire, dent your vehicle, like a shopping cart or something. And you're also looking for whether the vehicles beside are angled properly so they're in their own stalls. A lot of times the nose of a vehicle will look like it's in the stall or the tail, but the person beside you may have crossed into your lane and that parking stall is not available for you. And that's something you can see as you're driving past the stall. So you're gonna drive past the stall. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna drive so that your back bumper is past the furthest vehicle on that stall. So you're gonna wanna go past, and you're also gonna wanna turn away from the stall a little bit. That's gonna help a lot in some of those lanes that aren't so wide. It's gonna give you that advantage. But as you back up, you're using that rear view mirror that's closest to your short radius vehicle to line up your vehicle into the stall as quickly as possible. Your goal now is to get that rear bumper as close to the vehicle's nose as possible without hitting it. And that's where the rear view mirror helps. So yeah, once that rear bumper is past that short radius vehicle's front bumper, you are going to be turning hard so that your vehicle straightens out down the lot there. This is when you're going to start looking in your rear view mirror, other mirrors, to make sure that you're confident your vehicle is not going to hit either one of the vehicles. As you back in, you're going to get as straight as possible. Now's the time where you can adjust if you want to move over. You can pull forward a little bit so that it's equal room on both sides of your vehicle to the vehicles next to you in the parking space, but you want to line it up nicely that way. Now you want to back all the way up as far as you can go. Now this is, in an ideal situation, you have a rear view camera and you can just back up until you can't go any further. Rear view cameras are amazing, but sometimes they get covered, sometimes you don't have one. Sometimes the sensors are covered, so you never want to rely on them. So what do you do if you don't have a rear view camera, or it's blocked, or what have you? What you want to do is back up till you're just comfortable. You feel like you're getting close, you're out of the way of traffic in front of you, and you can stop, put it in park, get out, check it. If you have a passenger, get them out to kind of walk you back into the stall as far as they want. They can do their backup procedure to show you exactly how far you have and when to stop. That's ideal, but that's basically it. That's how we back into stalls. And yeah, I would love to get you guys' feedback. My last video had some lessons learned for me for sure about rev matching and when I'm downshifting. So I'm sure there's a lot of experienced drivers out there that can provide maybe a little better detail, a little better small tips to make sure that people are backing into the stall properly. So thank you. I appreciate your patience with me, and hopefully this is somewhat of a useful video.